Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life waterproofness test of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. So we're going to put this in the shower, in the swimming pool, and then see whether it will survive or not. So let's start with the video and then talk more about it. Let's go. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So basically I actually liked the waterproofness on this. Nothing happened to it. I've used it in the swimming pool already 3-4 times. Nothing has happened. I've taken it to the steam room also, but steam room is not at all recommended, so I did not put that video. So steam rooms will have a lot of heat. Heat is going to dissolve the adhesive, which is actually keeping the phone waterproof, and then if that gives way, then the water will go in. So keep it away from heat. So heat is the enemy of any waterproof device. Keep it away from heat. Water is fine, and keep it away from swimming pool water or chlorine or salt water. So especially sea water, keep it away from that, because sea water, even if it dries off, the salt remains and that will corrode the area. So I've actually lost 2-3 phones to sea water. So in case you want to do underwater photography or videography or whatever, invest in something like this, which is meant for underwater videos and stuff, like GoPros, or this is a Sony X3000. So any of these are not that expensive, and it can be a standalone camera to use it underwater. But if it's a one-off situation where you want to use it underwater, this is a good option. But once you use it, please clean it with regular water. Clean it off the chlorine, and if please avoid seawater. Seawater is no big no. But in case it goes into seawater, clean it with regular water, so that all the salts or all the chlorine or chemical goes away. I've even washed it with soap, which is not recommended, but I've even tried that and it survived all of that. But since it's new, nothing has happened to it. If you use it for a long time, with time the seals will give way. The gum and stuff which is actually keeping it sealed, or the rubber washer which is keeping it sealed, will degrade in time after a few years. So at that time the waterproofness level is going to be a little less. So just remember that this is waterproof. in case it actually, I mean, they made it waterproof for situations where you accidentally get into situations, or you are in a situation where it gets wet. For that, it's not supposed to be taken underwater every time, and they're not going to give you any warranty for it. If there's water damage, there's no warranty. Even though it's a waterproof or water resistant device, there's no warranty for it. Just remember that. So all in all, excellent device. I was really scared. I thought this is not going to survive, but it survived, so I'm really happy. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And if you want to see the same video in Malayalam or Hindi, I have 2 other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.